Hey everybody, it's Mary, and I just received the Simon Says November kit, which was so much faster than the October kit, which I think I just did a video on maybe a week or so ago. So I was pretty excited when this one came on time, per se. So let's get into it. Oh my God. Oh gosh. You know, purple is my favorite color. I love these bags, and I love them even more when they're in purple. Oh, I love it. All right, so let me stop fawning over that. And let's see what we've got in this box this time. This kit. All right. You know, they come out on the 15th of the month. So this one, oh, there's the little candy that gets me in trouble if I don't take it downstairs. They come out on the 15th of the month, and they're supposed to ship on the 1st. And they used to actually ship around then, or actually shortly or before the end of the month, but they have been a little bit slow. This one was a little bit slow since I just received it at maybe 3 or 4 days ago, but it was a lot faster than the last one. So I'm thinking that they're probably having some sort of, you know, shipping issues, trying to get product in to put in, you know, what they've decided is going to be in the kit. I think they've been maybe missing a piece or so. So let's see what we've got. We've got very low-tech tape designed for die cutting, foiling, stenciling, and more. All right, well, I've never used this one before, so we'll see how it is. Hope it says it won't tear the paper. Okay, so that's what I was looking for, because sometimes when I use washi tape, if I put it through the die cut machine twice, it will get really stuck to it, and sometimes it will tear the cardstock. So I'm all anxious to see if this one lives up to what it says. Fine detail scissors. I don't know. I have plenty of scissors. It does say it has soft grip handles for a comfortable hold. So with a non-stick coating, that's good. Fine tip, super sharp blades. Can handle everything, even adhesive. Great for fussy cutting, because you know that's my least favorite thing to do. So if that would make it easier, I'll give them a try. Envelope and envelope. All right, so let's take a look at the sheet before we take a look at the stuff. So this one is full of thanks for Thanksgiving. Love this, like cornucopia of things. One of the things, let's look at this. Okay, that is really bright. What do they call this? Bright yellow. Yep, that'll do it. Though if you put it against these other ones, it kind of tones it down somewhat. So that is a pretty combination of fall colors. So just use a little bit of that bright yellow. So those are, let me see, bright yellow, lipstick red, green apple, and there was one more, let me see, green apple, bright yellow, orange peel. Well, that makes sense. So one of the things that interested me in this kit was these adhesive transfers. And they're leaves. And there's 2 sheets, and then the foil, copper, and it says orange, but it doesn't look real orange. So those interested me. I wanted to give them a try because, you know, adhesive transfers, you know, hopefully I'm sure they've improved on those over the years. And then, you know, I'm a sucker for a layering stencil, and there's layering stencils in here. And so look at the stamp set. You know, I do have some stamp sets for Thanksgiving, but I thought these were, they were cute and they're different. I like this one here, this big one that I just talked about. Then there's this one here. And then this is so cute. They show this in this one right here, and with the big sunflower, and I just think that's so pretty. So this is, so they've layered these 2. This is, let me bring this over. This one is this one here, and then that's this one. So they've put those 2 together on a tag. A little busy, but for my taste. But I'm liking, so I'm not sure. Let's see how many stencils are in here. It looks from these pictures that the stencils are mainly for that one. So let's see. All right, so it doesn't, okay. All right, so it looks like, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but there are lines here. So this is 3 different stamps, and each of them have that. So this is down 1, this is 2, this is 3. So this is 1 here, this is 2, and this is 3. So are they, well, let's see. Are they 3 stencils for 1? All right. Well, that is a very good question. Okay, wait. All right. All right, so that's the stencil for that part. Okay. That's the stencil for these. And then that's the stencil for these. Okay, so each one of these is 3 stencils in 1. So that's that one. All right. All right. So that's that one. That's that one. And that's that. All right, well, this is easy now that we've figured that out. Okay, so I guess we start at the top. So that's, let me see, make sure it's in frame for you. That's, okay, that's that. And then there we go, the bottoms and those right there. Oh, this one's got 4, okay. I was wondering why the pumpkin was way over there. All right, so then that's the pumpkin layer there. And then that is that layer. Wow, that's impressive. That is very impressive. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, wow. That really is. So you don't have to color in anything. Everything will be, all 3 of these will be able to be colored in with the stencil. Wow. Bonus points right there, because you know I'm not a fan of coloring in with markers, even though I have so many markers. But I am a fan of layering stencils. So that was very clever the way they did that, so that you got all 3 of them. So another win, I think. I can't wait to try this. This will be fun. And yes, I will do a video on this, so that you can see how it works and how it turns out. I like this one with all the different colors. I'm not a fan of this pale one, but that's just personal preference. When I think of fall, I think of deeper colors. So, all right, so that's it. Simon Says Stamp Kit, full of thanks. So let me know whether you subscribe, and if you got this one, let me know what you think about it. Oh, love this bag. Let me know in comments. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're thinking about it, you can hit that subscribe button, and then if you also hit the bell, it will send you notifications when there's a new video. I appreciate any time that you have to stop by and say hi and make a comment and watch the video, or watch the video and not make a comment. Not everybody likes to comment. But it's nice when I do get to read comments, and I appreciate that anybody that takes the time to leave a comment or a like if you like the video. That helps with YouTube people. So, all right, so that's it. Until the next time, stay safe, stay well, happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.